Hi, my name is Olaome Oshisoya. The character I'm playing is Sophie. You think breaking me will be easy? You thought the storms I've walked through would drown me. I have carried pain that could crush a mountain, and yet, look at me. I'm still here. I've been betrayed, dragged through death, and left for dead in the heart of the people I called my own. But I rose. I rose because I learned that strength is not in never falling. It's in standing, bleeding, and daring to take the next step anyway. So, no, I'm not your victim. I am my own fire. And if anyone tries to put me out, will only watch me burn brighter.